Hello guys, I'm starting a new series about Minecraft and I just fell and I found iron and that is just awesome. So yeah, let's, oh, is that Tetrin? It's copper, yay. I'm gonna get some gravel. As you can see, I have a book with me. I get it from the first thing because I have 168 mods on. Yeah, I have loads of mods. I really loads of mod. So yeah, the series I think is gonna be awesome because I'm gonna try to make it awesome. Yeah. You should check out my brother's channel. His name is Midjabot. I'm going to put it in the description below. Yeah. Let's start by getting some more gravel. Oh, come on. I might just cheat this. Didn't go. Let me pause the video for a second. Hey guys, we're back and I was just breaking some grass, so let's just get some more wood. I want some more because I don't have any. I might need to get another nose. Where is my other nose? I'm gonna put the tree decapitator mod on. Timber mod doesn't like give you apples. I really want apples. Cause sometimes I really don't have food. Give me. Exactly. Yeah, as you can see, I have my own little inventory for a mod. Stinkers construct. That mod is awesome. Yeah, so let's put this crafting table and let's make some sticks and let's make an axe and a pick. Yeah. Like this. So let's timber this tree out. Let's timber more trees out. Timber. I need to timber. Yay, billions of trees. I have billions of trees. Is this? Holy moly, I'm gonna go through that food. Let me get some more wood and then let's go get that food. This land's mostly covered with non-wood leaves only. Gonna get a stack of wood. Oak wood, because this is oak wood. Yay, billions of saplings. I don't think I'm gonna get a stack because I broke all the trees, mostly. I need to get two. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's been 5 minutes already. Yeah. That's what I needed. Actually, no. So, yeah. Where's the food? There's the food. Yay! An unlimited food source. Kill them. Give me more so I could break those eggs on you. Give me! Wait, let me make a war axe. I know. War axe. Wait, is this a war axe or a war hammer? Okay, war axe. I mean battle axe. Why do I keep messing up with those stuff? Now kill chickens. I wish I put my damage indicators mod on so I could have 169 mods. I really want to dig this out. I never digged it before. Let me kill you, chickens. I have seeds for you. Well, not really. Look, I'm gonna get seeds for you if you come close to me. See, I have some more seeds. I could breed you two and then kill you two. I need some red mushrooms so I can make mushroom stews and plant some. I need to break another tree. Yes, lava and a flat land. It's been 8 minutes since I started this recording. I'm not falling in you, lava. Well, not this. There's lava. I'm not falling in you. Let me do something. No, no. Yes, I got my inventory back. Scary. Blue slimes. Can I jump? Yes. 2 food sources. I have 4 food sources. And why is there so many saplings? I've never seen that many saplings falling from one tree.